Hello guys, welcome to our channel Road Rider Couple. We are riding after a long time. Though I planned for Jamshedpur ride, means Calcutta ride. I started and went up to Nagar, but because of lot of heat and weather, we were unable to proceed further. We came back, and very next day I went to Jamshedpur on my car. So I did many rides in between, like we went to Mumbai, we went to Panchgani ride, that Natu Farm, and then Vishneshwar near Pauna Dam. Amazing rides, but I'm a bit lazy on creating the videos. Creating the videos means I don't want to do edits and all. I just want to put raw videos. So today also I will try my best to have the raw video. I will not be editing anything and will be putting directly in the channel. Like, it may be having 1 or 2 parts because I can cover up to 34 minutes of video in one go. So let's see how it goes. So the bike in front is Rajendra with his better half. So we have decided to go to Pali. So visit our Ganpati Bappa. So let's move. You know what? I tried different angles to take videos. Like once I try to put the camera on my bike, like I just put in here and check whether it is working fine or not. Then when I did the Panchgani ride, I put the camera on Mangesh bike. He is also having Honda NX 500, so it was having pure raw sound. I could not speak because I checked that what is the range of this mic with the DJI Action Pro. So I thought that it is not going to work. So just raw video, that is also there with me, but I thought and the angle was also a bit different, means vertical. So I didn't get chance to edit it, and even I don't want to edit this video also. I just want to speak and just want to see how it comes, but mostly you will be able to see this video. We have little bit of time constraint today, and let's see if we can make it on this Honda. So we will be crossing through Lonavala, Khandala, Khopoli, and we have to reach Mahaganpati Valeshwar. Out of 8 Mahaganpati, this is the one I like a lot, my favorite one. traffic. Oh, just have a look. I think it is Meteor 650, which with luggage system. It looks beautiful. It's going ahead of us. It is 650 only. You will find lot of riders going towards we didn't plan for this ride actually. I was asking Rajendra yesterday what is the plan. He said nothing. When I got up at 6:30, I saw his message, what's the plan? And I said, you tell me where do you want to go. Then he said, you tell me where we can go. We have to return by 11 between 11 and 12. He said, let's go to Pali. It is almost 94 kilometers for me, one side. Google says 2 hours. I think we can beat Google. Let's see. If we can really beat Google today. You need, the road that is faster. The speciality of Pune is, you will find lot of, bike riders, enthusiasts. Like, they really love biking. You will find lot of group riding on every weekend. This place is not good, very difficult. Whenever you have target, you will find more difficulties to achieve it. But there is always fun, if there is some target. Last time when I was going to Mumbai to my in-laws, I prefer always go by bike, because I don't feel or I don't find places over there for parking my car. There are places, but people used to scratch unknown cars if it is out of their society or premises, even though it is guest one. That's why I don't take my car. So I took my bike, and I come to know that to whom we visit, they are going to office. The office timing was 8:30, so that means we have to reach before 8:30. 120 kilometers, you can say, total distance. So we started at 6 a.m. 9 minutes, and we reached at 8:10. And then we stayed there. We met most of the people. Most of the relatives are there in Mumbai. So we visited most of them on that day, and we were one of my friend, the group friend, means Honda NX Pan India group friend, Raju. He was traveling from Bangalore to Mumbai. So we were supposed to meet, but I was not aware that it is the same day when I have to go to Mumbai. So he started at 4:30, and then he was riding like, he reached Belgaum very quickly. Then all of a sudden he said that there are a lot of diversions, he was exhausted but he said that we will meet. And finally, when I was returning back from Mumbai, I was asking him to provide the live location. Thanks to WhatsApp for that. I would say very useful. We both shared the live location for him and me, so that we finally, even Rajendra met him, and later on Rajendra was back to Pune, and I was coming from Mumbai to Pune, and in between I met him at Kumar Resort. We exchanged many experiences on Honda NX. He is having white NX 500. So we were very happy to meet. This was the first time I met with him, and then he said he will be returning back on Tuesday. So I requested him to visit my home, and he visited my home while returning back to Bangalore from Mumbai. So great feeling. Seems like it has rained. Right? Not sure. Weather is good now, but I guess when we return it will be hotter. Which bike is this? Testing mic. Seems like KTM only. I can smell the freshness in here. good. By the way, I have lot of riding jackets like Airwick, then Royal Enfield. Almost most of the jackets I have Royal Enfield. But I also have Rhinox jacket. Recently, I bought Shima from Gear and Hotel, Pune. I bought it for my wife as well. I really like the quality. Lightweight, very good, very comfortable. So it has become the favorite jacket of mine. I'm wearing the same. Which bike is this? You'll see a lot of people testing. We have these two functions. Bridge is very beautiful. View from place, the whole area is very beautiful. Mostly you will see paragliding is happening here. Very famous place for paragliding. Watch it. We did we did the Honda Adventure Camp training last year. It was so good. Like, what to say? The track were good at Venum Park. I visited. We attended the Honda Adventure Camp. It is happening everywhere. I don't know why. Honda Adventure Camp is not happening in Pune. And I heard it was there in Lonavala, but nobody informed like it is going to happen in Lonavala. Otherwise, I could have attended that training. You might have heard about training. Many people, many YouTubers, our Bullu Bhai always says it is good that you spend money on your bike accessories and all, and your gears and all, but it is also very important to learn or understand your bike. you should be having training if you have such kind of adventure bike. It is really helpful. When I did the training, I used to, like, only thing I'm scared of is passing the river, I mean water crossing, because I did the Spiti ride on Interceptor, and so I was a bit scared of, I have seen lot of videos, I have told you, I said that I always go with pillion. So if you are going with family, that means you should be very alert and be very careful. So whenever I find water crossing, I just ask my wife and try to cross the river crossing alone. So you might have seen in my previous videos or shorts that how NX has performed on water crossing. So what I was trying to say is, I was very scared of river crossing or water crossing, but the training that was given by Honda Adventure Camp was extraordinary. I learned a lot. Very basic thing. We never, I would like to tell you that I have almost 25 years of experience of riding two-wheelers. I have almost driven 15-16 two-wheelers, and I can ride like anything. But after attending the camp, I realized, I still have to learn. I still have to learn, And this bike is like, every day I feel like I want to ride this bike. I always try to, I just want to have a chance to ride this bike. Whenever I get time, I just take it. And then whatever I learn from the adventure camp, like standing posture, and all these stuff, like how you turn the bike, all these stuff I used to practice. So this is one of my favorite bike. So like I said, I had lot of bikes. I have experienced lot of bikes. One of my favorite was Pulsar 150. That was my first bike I bought from my salary. Even from my first salary, I would say. First salary I got, I paid half of my payment as a down payment and then took the bike on loan for 3 years. I remember it was costed me 59,000 in 2005. 2005 I bought Pulsar 150cc. I paid 6,500 rupees only as a down payment, and I said the rest of the down payment of 3,500 I will give it to you after 1 month, next salary. He agreed. Deepak, one of my friend, very close friend, he is the owner of that shop in Vallabh Nagar. So I bought it from him. He really helped me. Then that was the best bike I would say I had initially. I covered 85,000 kilometers in 5 years on Pulsar 150cc. Amazing bike. Later on, I shifted to Thunderbird. Didn't like it because of vibration and all. Then Avenger 220. Then, very interesting part, I bought Benelli 250 TNT 25 250cc Benelli. I was very happy with that bike, very good bike. But later on, I come to know I had made a very wrong decision of purchasing that bike. There was a engine sound from the bike whenever you ride it on guard section, and very strange. You have to press clutch 3-4 times, then it will become normal. I fell down from the bike as well. First time I had to, claim insurance on that bike, and very unlucky, I would say. I was coming on this road only from Mumbai to Pune. Near Kamshed there is a bridge, and it was around 9:30 p.m. All of a sudden, there was a gap between. There was a place where the bridge gapping was there. So the moment my bike crossed, the speed was almost 60. It was raining. The moment front tire crossed, then I felt some sort of jerk, and all of a sudden, the moment the rear tire crossed that gap, Benelli's tire got Metzeler, got flat, and I was thinking, what happened? And then we checked. I saw almost 3-inch cut on the tire, and I also noticed that the rim was bent, so there was no chance of recovery for that tire. And finally we decided we are not going to walk. I was 5 kilometers away from Kamshed, so we both sit on the bike. With the puncture bike itself, we covered 5 kilometers, and then I called RSA. They came at 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. Till then, we were sitting in a hotel, having tea, some food. They reached at 12 a.m. We reached home at 1:30 a.m. They took the bike. Again, we claimed tire and rim both, and luckily we got both of them in insurance. But later on, the engine problem, it was so irritating, and Benelli team, they opened half of the engine, and still that problem was not gone. Nobody was able to fix the issue. And then I decided to sell the bike. I was very frustrated. It was like every 10-15 days bike used to go to service center. Not at all happy. And at that time, news came in like Benelli showroom are closing. So I sold a bike at very cheap price. Lost a lot of money on that bike. So then I decided I'm not going to buy Benelli anymore. I don't know what is happening with Benelli now. They must be having, new technology, new bikes, better engine. I've seen TRK 502. That is also a good bike, but you know that I was very scared with Benelli's performance, so that's why I decided I will not go for Benelli. Finally, I bought Interceptor. So I went to Bajaj showroom. I wanted to buy KTM 390. Adventure was not there. Adventure was not there at that time, so I was interested in Duke 390. So they exchange rate, whatever they said, was very less. So that's why I thought, you know, I will not go for KTM. I was ready. The person said to me, this is the price, and I was happy, but when I reached there, they said that no. One minute here to check. Rajendra want to say something. We will get delayed. Huh?
That's closed. That is closed. That's a breakfast somewhere, Lonavala.
No, I think if we want to eat, then we will get delayed.
It's okay.
It's okay?
Have breakfast and go. We had fasting yesterday. So
Oh.
I'm getting hungry.
Okay, let's have it. I think let's go to let's go to Ramakrishna, or maybe what kind of breakfast we would, anything? Okay. Let's see. Regarding the KTM 390. So he didn't give me the price that I wanted, so I said I will not. It was Ina's birthday, so I decided I will buy a new bike, KTM 390. We were ready, but he didn't. He was not giving me the price he said. So I was coming back from Pune, and all of a sudden I saw one bike standing at Walker showroom of Royal Enfield. It was Interceptor, black color. I thought let's try this bike. Generally, I was aware that there is a lot of vibration in, you know, Royal Enfield bikes, but when I took the test drive, I told him I want a bike right away. He said, no sir, it is having the waiting period. I booked the bike on the same day. It was amazing. And another story, even in 2 months they could not provide the bike. So I went to another showroom, I booked there also, and finally I got the bike on 31st of March. Interceptor was amazing bike. I took that bike to